Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your data in the Bitscreener application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it and you will find here the first option on the page, which is backup or restore data. Just press on it. And if you want to restore your data, all you have to do is just press on restore data. And you will see this little pop-up window appearing to you, which will ask if you really want to restore your data, and you can just press OK. And after that you can see down below that the restore was successful. So it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is just press on the restore data and press OK in the popping up window, and it's going to be done. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.